Jax. Hi.
How was Vegas?
Good. It's freaking Christmas. I'm at my parents' right now picking up the doggies. Oh, I'm so excited to see them. Come here, Jax. Say hi to the vlog. I think he's scared of the Roomba. There he is. There he is. Ready? So many kisses, I don't know what to do. So many love, I don't know what to do. Stealing some coffee and some breakfast at my parents' house before I go back home. So I haven't gone grocery shopping yet. Keeping in tune with the vlogs. Right. Y'all, my mom has so many Christmas trees. I'm interested in counting them just to see how many Christmas trees she actually has.
We have 72 Christmas trees inside our home.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 11, not counting what could be on the porches and the bedrooms. Mom, you're so festive. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I have to go run some errands now. So I'll see you and you, cuties, soon. So I was complaining to one of my friends about how the cord for my passport, the WD little hard drive thing, wasn't working. Well, I actually didn't know that that's what it was. I didn't know it was my cord, but he said it was a bad cord that it comes with, and he bought me one and sent me it to the Best Buy here because he lives in Houston. So I'm gonna go pick it up, and thanks, you're the best. He calls me because he got an alert that I picked up his order.
Yeah, I saw the ad, I was like, oh, BestBuy.com, your order is picked up, and I was like, wait, you don't have an order? Oh yeah, you're welcome.
Thanks.
Sunburn on my cheeks.
Why are you sunburned? It's winter. You guys are the freaking cutest. Hi. Oh, I also forgot I put these in my pockets. Those are so cute. Should I give it to them now or should I give it to them in their I'm gonna put it in their stockings. Don't look. Okay, so I just went grocery shopping. We are having a potluck at the salon, and Vanessa signed me up to bring some kind of s'mores bar, and we're gonna bake it together. But she's working right now, and I'm here by myself. I hate cooking so bad. But this will be good. I have faith in myself. I can do this. So here are all of the ingredients. A pan, marshmallow cream, an egg yolk, chocolate bars. Is actually buy 2 get 1 free, so this one's for me. Butter, graham cracker crumbs, flour, sugar, salt, vanilla, baking soda, brown sugar, and then the finished recipe is gonna look something like this. Gooey slices of heaven. Oh, look what I freaking found. This is so awesome. I didn't even know I had this kind of equipment. Holy, almost got away from me there. God, I just separated an egg like nobody's business. Okay, now I need to put this away. Keep your stations clean, folks. I learned that from Ratatouille. I'm a chef. Stirring is actually kind of hard. You have to have a little bit of arm muscle for this. I just want to point out that this was Vanessa's idea and I'm doing it all by myself. It is 7 o'clock. Although I kind of feel accomplished. Oh my god, I forgot to add some ingredients like baking soda. Oh, and salt. 3/4 teaspoon salt. That sounds like a lot of salt. The salon girls are already always pretty salty. I have no doubt that this is going to be the hit of the party. Although there is going to be chicken nuggets there. Yes! We are getting this! Now is the fun part. 8x8 pan. Cookie mixture. Just an average American girl trying to get on the Great British Baking Show. Okay, not to toot my own horn, but didn't I spread that very perfectly? Cover graham cracker with chocolate bars. Hell yeah, I will. Oh my god, a masterpiece! What is calling? Well, it's about time. Hi. She tried to come over and steal the fun part, and that isn't happening. Did you really do that?
Double dipping.
Oh my god.
That's so good.
Yay, I saved it just for you.
You're so sweet.
That looks amazing.
It really tastes really good. Like Mexican lasagna and I think Lauren's bringing regular lasagna, mac and cheese, starter ship, spinach dip, Chick-fil-A,
Like the
nuggets.
most random stuff ever. Tequila and wine and jello shots, and it's gonna be a great day. Just literally put a whole mouthful. I did something for once.
You really did.
I'm proud of myself.
Okay, try it, literally try it in the cookie part with, go ahead and maybe like this.
Oh my god.
Exactly.
And then with chocolate.
Yes.
I did these and I'm very proud of myself. What did dinosaurs have that no other animal had? Baby dinosaurs.
Clever.
Oh, it kills me. I was gonna put Joey's present in here, but then I drew the ugliest Christmas tree ever and it's ruined. Look who it is. Look who's finally home. Look how amazing that looks. You can see the chocolate. How's it going? This professional rapper.
Yo, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4. Snoop Doggy Dogg is back once more. I got your gift wrapping, you want some more? Well, you can't, so don't be stingy, yo.
Word.
Word to your mother.
Time for the biggest decision of the evening. Wine, tea, or hot chocolates? What about tea? Like, I want to be so good right now. I'm surprised. I'm gonna take advantage of this while I have the chance. Oh, hi. That's my bear. You're gonna kill him. You can't kill my bear. Ajax, I don't think you understand what death is. Be nice. He has this bear with him literally 24/7. I'm surprised it's not torn to pieces by now. She stands on guard 24/7. Good girl. Make sure that no one breaks into my room. All right, well, I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching another episode of Vlogmas. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you didn't, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. E for effort. And I'll catch y'all on the flippity flop. Oh, my friend was telling me that I should do like see you on the flip side and then like flip the camera. See y'all on the flip side. How's that one? That one looked bad. I'm gonna try up. Okay. Alright. See y'all on the flip side. That one might be cool. Subscribe down low before you go, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another Vlogmas. Later, skaters.